Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom learning material for children with Canva and ChatGPT. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here, easily what we're going to do, we'll go and open our browser. And once we open the browser, I'll go directly to Google. And from Google, I'm going to search for ChatGPT. And I'll open ChatGPT over here as you can see. And so from here, I'm going to write I want to create a math worksheet for kids age 5 years. So tell me the math topics that I should cover in the workbook and click enter and wait a few seconds until ChatGPT gets you the results. And so here we have multiple questions in math that we can follow. So for example, we have number recognition, identifying numbers 0 to 20, writing numbers, counting objects up to 20, counting forward and backward. So for example, if I go with the first one, which is number recognition, and I'll open a new tab here and search for Canva on Google. I'll go here easily. Once I open Canva, I'll go to create a design and then I'm going to choose A4 and I'll go for document A4 portrait. By the way, you can choose any of these, but for me, my favorite one, it's A4. And so here we go back to ChatGPT and take the head title, which is number recognition, and we copy it back to Canva, click on text and add a text box. And from here, we're going to write this one, which is number recognition. We can change the font, and also I prefer to make it on bold. So I click over here and I'll make it a little bit bigger. And also I prefer to change the font. And for example, I can make it on clouds. And once I choose it, I'll take it up here on the head of the page. And so it says identifying numbers from 0 to 20. So what we're going to do here, we'll go on elements and we're going to search for numbers over here and we click enter. And so here we have numbers and also we have frames. So I can go for frames. And so in the first page, I'm going to make them from 0 to 5. And also I'd like to change the background color. So I click on it and I choose over here to change the background color. And also I prefer to make it a little bit yellow or on this kind of shape for colors. So here we have the frames. What we're going to do exactly with the frames, we're going to write over here solid color. And from here we can pick up any colors. So I'll go for photos and click on see all. And for example, I'm going to make the 0 orange. So I drag the orange and make it inside the frame itself. And I'll make the one yellow and we can follow the same method with all numbers. So just it depends on drag and drops. We're going to write the number's name. So click on text once again. In here, click on add text box. In here, you're going to write 1, but I prefer to make the text looks bigger. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and I can take it over the number itself here. And you can copy and paste and take it here to the 0 and you can write 0 over here and do the same with all the numbers around. And now once we have each number has the name on it, I'm going to go for the last method or my favorite one. I'm going to write here, for example, apple, and we'll have apples. So I'm going to take this apple and I'll take it over here. So for the 0, I'm not going to put anything around it, but for the number 1, I'll take this apple and I'll put it ahead of the number 1. So that stands for 1 apple. You just need to make it smaller and you can take it down here. And then I'll copy this and paste it. So I have here 2 apples already. And I'm going to do the same over here with 3 apples. So I click and copy and paste here. And I'm going to copy this one. And so that's how we can create a learning material to kids using Canva and ChatGPT. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.